How to create account in Chime app. Ready to set up your Chime account? The straightforward process. Let's walk through it together. The first thing you need to do is, if you haven't already downloaded the Chime app, please download it. And after that, you will see your Chime app on your home screen or in the app list. You can see my Chime right over here. Let's tap on it and open it. Once you're inside it, you will see two options right over here. The first one is sign up and the second one is login. Simply tap on sign up. That will help you start creating your account in the Chime app. Now simply enter your first name and last name. So the process of creating an account is you have to just fill up your basic information and there's verification and you are in. Let's fill all of this information. Then tap on next and wait for a while. Now you will be asked to enter your date of birth. A quick disclaimer here that you must be 18 years old or older to join the Chime. Fill the details, then tap on next. After that, you will be asked to enter your mobile phone number right over here. And also for your kind information, you need to be a US resident or this app is only available to certain countries. However, from the country that I'm using right now is not available for this app. So I'll be explaining you the rest process. Now what you have to do is simply type your number right over here. I will just enter some random number right over here. Then tap on next. After that, you can see you have to verify your number and you have to enter the security code right over here. And as I said earlier, there's a +1 code that is rightfully a country phone code of US. That also implies that I can't use this phone number right over here, but I'll be explaining you the rest process. Once you enter the code right over here, you will get verified and you are all in to use the Chime. So the process is simple. I just didn't become able to show you the rest process. I hope this helped, and lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.